Okay, today we're going to be doing the reverse conversion for the movie Blackout mold, but before I do, there's one thing I forgot to show off in my actual review, and that was this light pipe, and it does work pretty nicely, as you can see. Nice red eyes. That was something I forgot to show off in the video, but we're going to actually show you how to transform him back into his helicopter mode. So the first thing you do is that you remove this, and just like last time, we're going to do this first. Move this back, and peg that in. Do the same. Move these out. Hold on, like that. There we go. And hold on 1 second. I have to get my charger. Figure itself. You want to fold the feet up like so. Put these heel spurs back in, and rotate the legs. They don't tab into anything. Hold these hands up. Move that back. Then fold these arms like so. Untab this and push the torso in. Oh, I got it. Oh, one thing I forgot to do is you're supposed to rotate the torso before you do that. Sorry, that was my bad. Then untab this. Then there's these slots right there that go into these pegs. I'm not even sure if you can see that, but they peg in, but I'm doing this off camera just so I can see what I'm doing. And then once you do that, you peg these side bits in like so, and that did not sound good. Hold this like so. Then take the propeller, move this inward, and put that back. There you have the Blackout mold back in his vehicle mode. Thanks for watching. Bye.